Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best vinyl plank mop is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining the beauty and longevity of your vinyl plank flooring. This video dives deep into the world of mopping, offering expert tips and tricks to help you choose the perfect mop and cleaning solution. We'll explore the best techniques to keep your floors sparkling clean, while avoiding common mistakes that could damage your investment. Get ready to transform your cleaning routine and achieve a showroom shine. Number 5. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System. This cleaning system removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. It's designed to provide a deep clean for all your home needs. It's safe on various hard floor surfaces. The exclusive bucket design features a built-in wringer for hands-free use. The splash guard keeps water inside the bucket. This makes cleaning easier and more convenient. The microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. You can keep an extra refill handy for the next mess. It's designed for long-term use and easy maintenance. This system uses advanced microfiber to capture dirt and grime with just water. It eliminates the need for harsh chemicals. It's safe for all hard flooring. The patented triangle mop head rotates 360 degrees, allowing it to reach corners. It can easily clean under furniture and along baseboards. This ensures a thorough clean every time. Be prepared for daily messes with extra mop refills. Assign each room its own refill to avoid spreading dirt. Stock up ahead of time so you're always ready for the next mess. The microfiber mop attracts and locks in dirt, dust, and pet hair. It works better than traditional cotton mops. It can be used wet or dry for mopping or dusting. What we like. This mop features a hands-free wringing system, making cleaning a breeze. It also reaches those tricky corners with ease. If you have a busy household and value convenience, this is the perfect choice. Its ability to remove over 99% of bacteria ensures a truly clean home. What people say. The spin wringer is super convenient, no more touching dirty water. The microfiber head picks up dust and dirt amazingly well, and the refills make it easy to always have a clean one ready. It's lightweight, easy to use, and leaves my floor spotless. Number 4. O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. Introducing the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop. It allows you to clean your floors with clean water from beginning to end. You'll never have to mop with dirty water again. This mop effectively removes dirt, grime, and over 99% of bacteria with just water. The built-in foot pedal lets you easily control how much water you use on your floors. You can save up to 4 times as much on your cleaning costs every year compared to using the leading brand disposable spray mop. It's a smart choice for your wallet. The microfiber mop heads are easily removable and machine washable. You can replace them after repeated use, saving you time and money. Keep an extra mop head handy for the next mess. This mop is safe on all hard floors, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, and vinyl. It's designed to handle all your cleaning needs. The triangular mop head allows for better corner cleaning. Its 360-degree rotation helps for mopping underneath furniture. It's designed for complete cleaning. What we like. This mop ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water, a key feature for effective cleaning. The machine-washable mop heads save you time and money. If you are looking for a hygienic and cost-effective cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It makes cleaning so much easier and more efficient. The best part is that it has both a clean water tank and a dirty water tank, so you're never reusing dirty water on your floors. I was always having to dump out the water constantly because I don't use the same mop water in each room, so separating the water from the dirty to the clean was such an amazing feature to have. It keeps clean and dirty water separate from one another, so the floor is always in contact with clean water and solution. I love that the mop heads come off and are machine washable. Number 3. O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. This mop removes over 99% of bacteria using only water. You don't need bleach or detergent. It's been tested and proven effective. The advanced microfiber effectively captures dirt and grime with just plain water. It's safe for all hard flooring, including hardwood, laminate, tile, and vinyl. The large, dual-sided mop head flips 180 degrees. This allows you to clean twice the floor coverage without changing the pad. You can use it wet for a deeper clean or dry for dusting. You can conveniently control the amount of fine mist spray with the ergonomic grip handle. It doesn't require batteries or cords, making it easy to use. The mop heads can be machine washed and reused, saving you time and money. An extra refill is included for your convenience. Just fill the bottle with water and add a small amount of your favorite cleaning solution. It comes with a clip-on cup for accurate measuring. This mop uses thousands of microfibers to absorb dirt and dust particles without leaving streaks. It traps pet hair and easily removes stubborn messes. What we like? This spray mop offers a convenient and efficient way to clean your floors. The double-sided pad doubles your cleaning coverage. If you like a quick and easy cleaning experience without the hassle of batteries, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The spray is wide and full, it gets the areas you need. The mop pads are very good quality and it came with 2 extra. The maneuverability makes the functionality great. Number 2. Beyoco Microfiber Spray Mop for Floor Cleaning. This spray mop features a new liquid release device with an enhanced trigger. It solves the leakage problems found in other brands, making floor cleaning simple and easy. This design ensures a mess-free experience. The extended pole means you don't need to bend over, saving your back. Made with high-quality ABS material and a durable aluminum rod, it feels comfortable in your hand. You can easily get a fine mist with the trigger. The 360 degrees rotating mop head reaches every corner of your house, making cleaning easier. It's ideal for removing dirt on walls, windows, ceilings, under furniture, and even hard-to-reach corners. It helps you maintain a tidy environment. This mop comes with 3 washable microfiber pads for replacement. These pads quickly absorb dirt and dust. You can easily switch them out for wet or dry cleaning. Fill the 400 ml bottle with water and add 2 teaspoons of your favorite cleaning solution. It's ready to shine your floors. It's normal to find a small amount of water inside the pipe, as it was tested before packaging. The mops are brand new and tested before shipping. Do not use strong acid or alkali detergents. Dilute thick cleaning solutions with water. Clean the bottle and nozzle after use. Contact us if you have any issues. Beyoco spray mops are 100% brand new. If you receive a used product, please contact us immediately. We are here to help with any concerns. What we like. This mop features an upgraded sealed reservoir to prevent leakage. The long handle reduces the need to bend over. If you are looking for a mop that is easy to use and reaches every corner of your house, you should consider this one. What people say. Firstly, this is a great bargain for a Swift-type mop that addresses some of the issues with brands like Swiffer, including not requiring disposable tanks and disposable pads. The manual trigger spray is also more powerful and controllable than the electric sprayers I have used. Was easy to assemble and the pads do a good job at cleaning. Number 1. Bissell SpinWave Corded Spin Mop Cleaner 20393. Introducing the Bissell SpinWave. This powerful corded spin mop uses machine-powered scrubbing pads to effortlessly remove tough messes. It makes cleaning easier. This mop is safe for all sealed floors, including wood, tile, and linoleum. It lifts sticky spills and dried stains, protecting your floors while cleaning them. With the press button dispenser, it delivers the Bissell formula exactly where you need it. There's no wasted solution, making your cleaning more efficient. The lightweight design and easy glide swivel head allow it to clean under furniture and around baseboards. You can reach every corner without bending over. It includes 6 washable pads and 3 travel size formulas. This system provides you with everything you need for 6 complete cleaning sessions. What we like. This mop provides powerful cleaning without the need for scrubbing. It is safe for all sealed floors, protecting your surfaces. If you are looking for a mop that can handle tough messes while being gentle on your floors, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It is super easy to use and does not cause pain flares in my arms. That's a huge win in my book. It cleans my floors really well with no leftover residue or dull-looking wood. It is also light enough to easily carry upstairs for cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.